it's about time for another video. Yeah, let me just apologize first. I got into a little bit of business, and obviously it's taking a bit more time than originally expected. But just bear with me. I am making time for trading as well from this week. Just had to find my feet. So the reason for me for making this video is because I did share in the chat one or two photos what I'm expecting this week, just to make it quick. But something bothered me and I had another look. So I want to have another look with you guys on let's start with the dollar. So obviously we can see that we made higher highs, now higher lows, and at the moment we are busy. Let's just check if we're on the 50. Yeah, we did retest 50%, so we are in the discounted area. And then if we have a look on the weekly and the daily, you'll be able to see it a bit better. We had the minor break of structure, or the change of character to the upside, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this one is just for this, just to indicate the discount and premium. As we can see, we had the break of structure, and we have this imbalance and this void that needs to be filled. And then on the daily, we'll be able to see, okay, obviously it retested a 4-hour demand level. You can go down to the 4-hour just to have a look. Obviously here it is our change of character. Let me just put it there. There we have a change of character. Let me just do this just so I can keep the lines the same. But we are currently at a level of supply. So what I am going to look for is maybe you'll see that I marked a few levels on the lower time frame, which I'll indicate to you guys now. But this I see as a level of liquidity that can be taken out before we decide to head to the upside. But yeah, like I said, so overall target for me will obviously be these levels of liquidity. Let me just mark it like this. Let's make it another color, something like this and this. And then obviously there's levels of liquidity here at the top, obviously there, and then obviously here is our level of supply, which I will be looking for. So yeah, let me show you the levels I saw on the hourly, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so for me, obviously we had the break of structure to upside, but then we came and took out liquidity, maybe retesting this level of demand, or whatever you want to call it. And now we are starting to see some momentum to the upside, which is not yet confirmed, because I would like this level or this point to be broken, or to for price to get past that point, and then from there confirm bullish action. So for me, I mean, this can still happen. It can still retest the level of supply there. Apologies, my nose is not lacquer. And then creates another level of supply, and then we can head to the downside. So for me, overall, like I said, I am bullish on the dollar. Maybe not this week, but for the foreseeable future, I am looking, or I'm wanting for price to come and fill in. Firstly, let's just do this. Firstly, this level, like that, and then maybe in the middle of the year, or more towards, like I said, in the future of the year, come and fill that level there. So taking this into consideration, yeah, I mean, this is a poof pair. It's been in consolidation for more than a month already, but I did identify liquidity on the higher time frame. Let me just get my pair. There we go. You'll be able to see. Apologies, these dogs are, I don't know what they're doing. So I've identified a level of liquidity there on the weekly, which is obviously a target for the foreseeable future. Now if we have a look at gold, we can obviously keeping the dollar momentum, dollar strength in mind. This is definitely a level of interest for me this week, which I will be looking to take shorts whenever it comes up, or whenever it comes up during London, New York, whichever. But we'll just stick with our pairs or the plan for our pairs, and then take it from there. Now SPX, like I said in the chat, it's very overextensive, or what overextended. There we go. So for me, if we just do this is a level of liquidity. Let me just do this monthly. So as you can see, this was Jan. It came down in the middle of the year. It kind of went up. If you take a look at Jan or in Feb, so every year at the beginning of the year there's some sort of pullback. So now that we broke all-time high, I am looking for some sort of pullback, and this will be my first level of how can I say, my first target, that level of liquidity there. And then maybe sell it. Well, obviously this will be a very long-term thing, but let's deal with it when we get there. So I just wanted to make a quick video because I know I said I had other ideas for gold or for the DXY, for the dollar index, so I just wanted to be on the same page with you guys, and let's have a good and profitable week. Cheers, team.